a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kaufman County in north central Texas, north central Navarro County in north central Texas, northwestern Henderson County in northeast Texas, until 8 p.m. At 7:03 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 13 miles southwest of Seven Points, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Seven Points until around 7:25 p.m., Cottonwood around 7:30 p.m., Gunbound City and Grays Prairie around 7:35 p.m., Kemp and Maybank around 7:40 p.m., Kaufman around 7:55 p.m. This will impact the following interstates. Interstate 20 between mile markers 491 and 493. Interstate 45 between mile markers 240 and 252. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. The current time is 7:00.